All the props that you see in the layout, well, that shoot is going on right now. And that's right here, the glasses are tied by a string. So while we're doing this right now, so we're waiting for Kangana to come here, and she's getting ready right now. Our brand Femina Believe hopes to reach out to all young women across the country, instill a sense of empowerment in them. Our campaign tells women out there that everybody starts the same. All of us have equal opportunities, but it's what you make of it. You can always groom yourself to be anything that you'd like to be. Kangana was fabulous. She seems like an perfect fit to the campaign because, like I said, she hails from a small city, but she's not let that, affect her progress at any given point in time. And she's done only better for herself. So she just, embodies the entire concept of everybody starts the same to its ultimate glory. So we are very happy to have her. All the three looks that we wanted to achieve with Kangana. So they're three varied looks. One which is modern, one which has a little bit of Indo-Western touch to it. It's to appeal to all the women. Yes, we did shoot in black and white, but the most important message that we want to give to the girls out there, that everybody starts the same and you have this potential in you, is in color. So that's what we wanted to highlight.